All right, so this is a review and open box on the Wyze Buds. Definitely excited to use these. Want to check them out. Bluetooth. Like the way this is packaged. 28-hour battery life. Wow, sound quality. Okay, great. Let's jump in. I want to see what these look like. All right, here we go. Definitely like the way this is packaged. Nice and neat. Little directions to set this up. Quick start guide. And here they are. Wow, I like the container that it comes in. Let's see what else is in here. Feels like a little charging cable. Nice. Oh wow, and here are the different size pieces that go in your ear. Wow, didn't realize that came with it. Now, this one looks like I lost one in there. Oh yeah, I did. There it is. All right, so let's get into the headphone part. Definitely like the way that these look. Wow. Wow, this looks like it's already powered. There's a little magnet, whoa, wow. There's a magnet pulling that in. Man, I like these. Definitely excited to use these. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to jump in the app and set these up to my phone. Cool, let's do it. All right, if you haven't done so, download the free Wyze app. Up in the left-hand corner with that plus button, we're going to click that and click Add Device. Then we're going to click on Lifestyle at the bottom. Now we're going to click on Wyze Buds. Now it's going to be searching for your buds, so just give it a minute. Make sure your buds are in pair mode. So you're going to want to hit that little button on the back, and you're going to look for a little flash. This could take a minute. All right, now you're going to head over to your phone settings, and you're going to click on Bluetooth. At the very bottom, you're going to see Wyze Buds, and you're going to pair. Now we're going to head over back to the Wyze app. As you see, it's still searching for the buds. Just give it a minute. It should connect. It seems like it's picking the signal up for me, and we might be ready to go. All right, here we go. All right, so it's asking me to do a firmware update, which I'm going to do after this video. One of the things I want to point out, if you look at the very top of the bar, you have your left, your right, and the case. It's showing you how much battery power is left. I really like that. You'll be able to get that within the Wyze app. But this is extremely easy to set up. Now I'm just showing you a shot of what it looks like in my ear. These are very comfortable. They do not hurt. And the sound quality of these are actually really amazing. Love the case as well. You can charge the little earbuds in the case. Definitely love these. Definitely excited to use these. If you are interested in these headphones, check it out at the link below or right in the descriptions.